Good day everyone, John Gilligan, President and CEO of Liberty Gold. Here we are today in this beautiful morning in southern Idaho, on site, on top of the Rangefront deposit at Black Pine. You can see behind you what Black Pine looks like. This is an amazing site. Every time I come here, I am overwhelmed by the scale and the dimensions of this extraordinary gold deposit and privileged to be part of taking this through its next stage of evolution. The company's come an awfully long way in the last 6 months. Those of you who've been following us will know that we published a feasibility resource model early in the year. That showed us an indicated resource of 5 million ounces with another million inferred, really showing the scale of an opportunity that we see here at Black Pine. That model has been the basis, or is the basis, for the ongoing feasibility work. We're talking there about mine planning, strategic planning, heap design, and all of the process that goes into a feasibility study. We're working hard on that. So that's a sort of technical stream that's going on, and we're very happy with that. We've also had significant movement in the permitting space. We received approval to enter the FAST-41 process as a covered project, and that's given us a federal oversight to the permitting process. And that's been extremely positive in terms of relationships with federal government and with a group that is providing guidance through that process. We had our notice of intent approved in early April. That notice of intent kicks off the NEPA process, that's the National Environmental Policy Act permitting process. First stage of that is public scoping. That's where we go out to the public and we receive input on the mine plan, or the draft mine plan of operations, which is our plan that says we're going to build a mine here, it's going to look like this, these are the impacts. And we've had good public feedback. We put that feedback into the document that we're now writing called the Environmental Impact Statement, the EIS. That document is being prepared with the input from regulators, from NGOs, and from the public. And that draft document will get released early in 2027 for a second round of public review. So we're in that process, and with an updated timetable that we agreed with the FAST-41 team and the federal agencies, we now have a January 5, 2028 date to receive our final record of decision. Really importantly, during that process, Idaho State made the, frankly, landmark decision to align its state permitting process with the federal process. And Governor Little came out with a memorandum of understanding saying Idaho will be in lockstep with federal authorities in approvals. And so we are the first project ever to have that state-federal coherence on an agreed permitting date. So in our view, I think we've de-risked the process in a material way, and we are working diligently with the regulators so that we make sure that we do our piece in that journey to get to that January 28 date. And so the technical piece is going parallel to the permitting piece. Also, you will see around me, you can see roads and you can see platforms. Those are platforms that we are doing the next round of drilling, and that drilling is sort of pre-production technical compliance drilling, where we are de-risking the first 3 years of production so that we have detailed information about what does the ore look like, how does it respond to the processing technique, so that we've got confidence in the metal flow in the early years and the revenue from that, so that we give shareholders confidence that as we open this new mine, we'll get the ramp up and the production rates that we expect. Furthermore to that drilling, we're also doing permitting compliance drilling, where we need to understand what the rock structure looks like under the infrastructure, under the waste rock facilities. Part of our view around what can we do to remediate this current situation as we build our mine. So really excited to be here, really excited for the opportunity to hang out with the team, see some drills. We're going to have some great metallurgical results come out in the next few months. We've got drill results coming from the drill programs I've described. We're going to have permitting milestones coming out as well. And then ultimately, I think the really big one to expect is that feasibility study. That will be the definitive document that describes what Black Pine really looks like and it'll be the document on which we then go to raise money. That's called project financing, to raise money to build this mine. Thanks everyone.